Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the scene. Open Roblox Studio, load a base plate, and make sure Explorer and properties are visible. Next, insert a starter character model into Starter Player and add a screen GUI to Starter GUI so the editor UI has a place to live. Once done, create a folder for character data and a module script to store default appearance values. This saves time when testing. Make sure to name objects clearly so you can reference them in scripts without confusion. You now build the editor interface. Design frames, buttons, color pickers, and sliders for size and features, keeping layout responsive. Then craft a local script that listens for UI changes and applies them to the player. Character so you can preview in real time. This is why local scripts are critical. Meanwhile, store defaults and presets in a module script to reuse across sessions. Finally, add a remote event to request the server to validate and save changes, so appearance persists between respawns. You finish by wiring save and respawn logic. When the player confirms, fire the remote event to a server script that validates and writes appearance to player data or data store. Then, on character added, fetch saved appearance and apply it so it persists across lives. Make sure to debounce UI actions and sanitize inputs for security. If things go wrong, check that remote events are in replicated storage, player permissions are handled, and your server script isn't blocking updates. That trouble.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.